Got the Japanese, whatever it's called, rod. The Japanese cane pole. Let's see what I want to use first. Might as well.
Guys, I've been fishing. I'm gonna catch some flounders.
Might as well use this little midget thing.
Give me a midget thing.
Get one of the little tiny. Ready? In.
Yeah, they don't fucking.
They bite it, turd. I told you.
Actually, they don't.
Watch out, okay?
But you can't get all the big ones because you have to catch large ones.
Look at this. Can't cast. Got him.
This shit is so ass. I actually fucking hate this. I actually hate polish.
Damn, that's a big one too. First fish on the fly, guys. We're just using this tiny little fly on the little Japanese pole.
Why does yours work so good and they don't care about mine?
I don't know. This shit works, okay? Top water?
Yeah, have your mom bring us.
Yeah, have your mom. Alright. Big sunfish.
No, she probably would, but she can't right now.
We don't.
How are they going? How?
Get it. Get it, you
Bro,
little
how
bastard.
does his stink? His stinks. Yeah, because he got the good one. He told us not to use it.
No, they're
Yeah.
all the same.
We'll get it.
They're all the same.
Let's just go back, guys.
Oh.
This'll work.
Got him. Yeah. Look how much the rod's bending here. Luther brought a weight. Oh, fuck. Alright. There's our sunfish on the fly. We're not gonna...
Down. Big one. And we need to add some bass.
Look at Weston. Look, Weston, look, like this. You see it moving?
It's gonna leave more.
These are like really good lures. They're
You need to
oh,
add
the
long
green
lures.
sunfish. I need to get that sunfish, bro. The sunfish goes for it when the bluegill stop.
Oh, they've been. I want to catch that bass. I need to see stuff.
Low key, we should put a. Do you think? I think a bass would low key do good in here.
Yeah, probably eat all the bluegill. Well, it has to be like a 1 pound or less than a pound.
But sunfish, the sunfish likes it when it's moving. All right. Ow. Oh my God, he spit it out. Then it, oh my gosh. The hook on this fly, guys, is so small.
This is too small. It only eats like the green stuff on it.
Weston, look, I got like 50 followers. Look, cast it like that. Like, whip it. Yeah, there you go.
Fucking pass that.
Luther Brown, welcome to the best method of fishing.
I got minnows eating mine. Yeah, this is literally our worst time fishing here. I know. It sucks.
It's not mine. It's the funnest time I've had you.
Bro, the first time was the funnest.
The first time, yeah. No, the last time with Luther when I caught the big one. That was the funnest.
That's why we should get bait. That chicken works so good.
My mom doesn't have any chicken.
Where's the bread or something?
I'm out of bread. My dad threw it away. That's why I didn't bring it. He found it in my backpack and he threw it away. I didn't bring bread as usual, guys. Oh, big guy. Get it. Get it. Smack
Big
it.
guy. Big guy. Logan, you know you can just edit out the cuss words that Luther says?
Yeah.
Say what? Yeah, I say poo. Oh, shit.
I'm gonna...
Oh, no. Sorry, fam. It was
Hey, we should go to the other spot. Over there.
your spot?
Yeah.
They probably all transferred over.
No, they like the flies over there. Trust.
They don't like the flies on the shop.
They do.
They don't?
They do.
They don't not.
I haven't been over there.
Me neither.
I've never caught a fish over there.
I've caught a couple. It's not that bad.
The key to the flies is the slow sink. Can't believe I wore my nice shoes.
I'm just hoping you'll
Come
fall.
on, eat it.
You wanna know a trick, Weston?
I just wanted to have
Look.
a BMX bike.
Weston, look. Hold it like this and pull it like this and then let it go. And it goes way farther.
Bet.
Try that. Get it.
Okay.
Okay, now let it go. Wow, you gotta open your bail.
You never told me.
Ow!
You never told
Got in
me.
my finger.
You never told me to open my bail because you didn't open your bail because you don't
I
have
don't
a
have a
bail.
bail. There's a minnow
I don't
biting
have
mine.
weight.
Who's caught in a fish?
It smells ass fishy.
Oh, oh!
Oh, big one.
You see it? Charge it.
Yes.
Gotcha, cunt. I got you. Hold on.
Yeah.
Don't pull this time, because you're... Wes, you can join the hooks. You have a better lure than mine. Yours is way better.
I'm just gonna get a lot of line and do that trick.
This is not even fun.
Yes, it is.
But it's fun.
It's fun.
No, but it's way funner with actual bait.
Yeah.
No, because it's getting too easy. I like a challenge. It gets boring when you're just catching...
But this is too boring.
No,
You
it's
wanna
not.
go back and get bait?
It's gonna take too long.
My
No, we'll
bike.
be in 5 minutes.
My bike's gonna be dead. My mom maybe can bring it.
Call your mom and ask her.
She's in a meeting until like 5:20. Got it. Finally, guys.
Bro, oh, you're too lucky.
The first blue geeky of the day. Oh, he came off right when I was about to show him the camera.
I think that's not a fish. Does that count?
That doesn't count. You have to touch it. See, I know my stuff. I'll sell you this pole for $5.
Hell no. We're gonna come back here tomorrow with like a full fish. Full kit, guys.
Bring a fly. I low key would bring a fly rod here, like an actual fly rod. Oh, sunfish, 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 sunfish. Oh, he gulped it and he spit it out, bro. He had it and he spit it.
Oh, right there. Don't get it away from him.
Topwater action, bro.
Bro just ran right past it. Can I please try your rod?
Gotcha.
Bro, can I try yours?
Oh, I got stuck in the tree. No. This is like the... Oh, God, he's
Can
freaking
I
out.
try yours?
Please tell me. Yeah, I am recording. I know this video might be a little bit, what's the word, guys? Unscripted, like I'm not, like, focused on the camera. But I wanted to go fishing with the homies, and I didn't want to freaking bring all my gear and stuff. So we're just fly fishing for micro gills and sunfish with a micro cane pole.
No, he bit it. Oh,
bit-
he spit it out!
Yeah, they spit it. You gotta, like,
I'm gonna
hook
actually
set.
hook set this.
You have to. I want to get that green sunfish right there, bro. Not yet.
Later, maybe. Imagine that spot's more loaded than this.
It used to be. Got the sunfish, guys. Guys, I got the sun. No, he popped. Crap.
Oh,
So we usually come here with bread, guys. I'll put a video up sometime soon.
oh,
All the big sunfish bite the bread.
I hooked myself.
Oh, the big... Yes. Got him. Got him, finally.
Let me go
Redemption.
then.
Redemption. Redemption. Don't pop off this time, bro.
Can I please try your audio?
Oh, that's the biggest fish of the day, guys. Look at that little
Can I
chunker.
please try your audio now?
Yeah, hold on. That is... Yeah, that is the biggest fish of the day. Thumb from that guy. What's your TikTok? Weston Burkett.
No, Logan Smith. I'm making a fishing account, so guys.
There we go, guys. And the biggest sunfish.
Ah!
The biggest sun... Ah!
Let me try you pull.
The biggest sunfish of the day.
Let me try you pull.
One more cast. Hold
No,
on.
please, please, please.
One more cast.
You could just.
Oh, I got you. Oh, I got him. Good one. Fighter. Damn. Jumping. That's the first, or no, second bluegill of the day. Pretty little guy. Cast over here, Weston. Alright, watch this. They think it's the caterpillars, bro. Gotcha. What is that? Oh, that's the smallest green sunfish ever. Damn.
That might have been a freak.
No, that's not. Oh, wait. No, it's not.
Why would it spam with strangers?
Cast over there in that corner. They're bussing over there, bro. Like that ass. Look, watch.
There's the thing.
So, it's fun on this pole, bro. Makes it feel like you're fighting a monster when it's like tiny. That's why I like it so much. I hooked my hand! I hooked my hand! I see a bigger one. Yeah, treat it like it's a real... Oh, I'm standing in the mud!
And you freaking sweep my fish.
Get it, bro.
All the sunfish around there, the bluegill are up here.
Yeah.
The sunfish are Can I try a fly fishing rod?
Mm-hmm. Alright, watch this. They think it's the caterpillars, bro. Gotcha. What is that? Oh, that's the smallest green sunfish ever. Damn.
That might have been a freak.
No, that's not. Oh, wait. No, it's not.
Why would it spam with strangers?
Cast over there in that corner.